So to start with Tabletop Simulator, you need to build a list. First, you need to get the games that you want to play. And I play Age of Sigmar and 40K, so you can see both of those there. Now, we're going to focus on 40K for this, so I'm going to click on that. Now, you can also click up here, New, or you can look at your current lists. I only have one list currently, but let's say I wanted to build one from scratch. This is how I would do it. I'm going to build a demon army and give it a name. Sample demon army. I'm not feeling creative. Choose your point limit, which I'm going to choose 2,000 points. Next up, after I do that, I've named it, and now I need to choose a battle size. So the way to do that is to simply click on the battle size and click 2,000 points. Now, because I chose Chaos Demons, I need to choose my detachment, and it's going to give me a list over here on the right-hand side of what detachments are available. So let's go ahead and choose Demonic Incursion. And now I have the function started. You'll see there's still an error up here. That is because I require one character and a warlord in the list before it's a valid army. First thing I like to do is actually click on the show options and get rid of all the stuff I'm not going to play with. I don't play with any of this stuff most of the time, so I just click off all of that stuff, and that way it's not over here on the left hand side just cluttering my space. So the next thing I'm going to do, you can see the points value over here on the left, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start adding characters. Let's add a Bellicor, and let's make a big giant list. I'll add Kairos Fate Weaver for funsies. So these are all of the epic heroes to start with. And then down here you've got your regular characters. So let's add a Lord of Change. And the reason I added Lord of Change is so that I could show you this functionality. So you click on Lord of Change, and over here it will have all your enhancements and war gear options. So I'll click Rod of Sorcery. Let's click the Everstave, and that will give him the Everstave, which is going to be very important for later in this tutorial. Next, let's put some battle line units in. Got some demonettes. I'm just making an arbitrary list at this point. Let's say I wanted, so you can see it has it in various different categories and vehicles. Even has fortifications here, which nobody ever takes. So now you can see up here, I'm at 1490 of 2,000 points. Let's just add a Horty Slim, and I'm at 390. That seems like the perfect space for a Bloodthirster to me. And we'll give him an enhancement as well. Argath, King of Blades. One thing that's nice about this is if you choose a unit that has to be the Warlord, it automatically selects him as the Warlord. And I have 65 points left, which is the perfect spot for a Beast of Nurgle. So we'll add another one of those. And now you can see I'm at 2,000 points. So that is how you build a list in the new Recruit. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to click Export, Yellow Scribe, and this number will copy to the clipboard, which you will need in the next step.